Okay, hello everyone, welcome to the Web3 Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to share the updates about the parachain in Polkadot, Composable, and the Pika, the war on Kusama. They have a token updates, and I'm going to show you the tutorial how to do the liquid staking. So basically, recently the Picasso is quite hot because they actually have a very good return for the crowdloan participants. For those of you, if you participate in the Picasso, you probably want to check their website and claim the token. The Composable on the Polkadot, I personally also participate. They haven't issued the token yet, but they have recently made announcement, and the token TGE will be on the 2024 H1, so it will be very soon. So that's also quite exciting news. To be honest, I'm very surprised as well. So the liquid staking is one product from Composable Finance. And they already have the website is working. You can check that. You can do the lsDOT liquid staking, similar to some other liquid staking protocol like Bifrost and others. So today in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to do that. Basically, go to the Trustnest website, connect your wallet. And I choose JS, but you can choose any other wallet. Here you can stake the DOT, and of course you need to first transfer some DOT. So here select the Polkadot to Composable, and you need to pick the wallet that you want to transfer from and to, and you also need to select the DOT. So now I put the 2 DOT. I will send from my Relay chain to Composable, and then I will do the stake now. And here of course you can put the amount of DOT. Right now I have 2 DOTs on Composable, and they need to charge some fees. But as a tutorial, I just show you how it works. So I'm going to go ahead and click stake. However, on my end, there are some error. I'm not sure what happened, but it's okay. I will now show you how to transfer it back to Relay chain. So the same thing you need to do is a setting here. Make sure you select the fee as a DOT. And then now after you confirm the DOT, now you can send from Composable to the Polkadot and click send here. So basically you need to set up right from like which chain you will send from and which chain you will receive in. So they have different chains. Right now you can do the cross chain including Atom. So this is a tutorial for the Composable, and how did you feel about Composable and how did you feel about the Pika? Feel free to leave your comments, and if you do participate in the crowdloan, now is probably a good time to check that, and also try the liquid staking. However, as I show, like there are some errors. I probably need to report to their team, and it should be fixed, and then we can all stake. Alright, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.